looks like they got some bunkers. Are these World War II bunkers? I've got metal detectors, I've got everything going on there, look. Wipe it away, it's crazy. Good morning. We're on the Jurassic Coast, which is on the south coast of the UK, and they call it the Jurassic Coast because you come to the beach like here, you can pretty much find a fossil in almost any rock on the floor. Maybe not the yellow ones, but some right over there. So there's this whole coastline going all the way over there. And recently, a few years ago, they found the world's biggest intact dinosaur skull in the cliff face, and that's just over there right in front of us. So we're on this little extra bit here out of the way. We're gonna crack some rocks open. So they kind of look like this. Look, it's almost like slate. You can see all the different layers in there. So you can just wedge something in there, crack it open, and you'll pretty much see fossils almost immediately. It's actually quite amazing how many there are, and it stretches all the way along the coast in every direction, all the way around here. So Weymouth is over there and Bournemouth is over there, so we're somewhere in the middle. So let's have a little look, see what we can find. So already we've found something. Look at that right there, look. It's cool, isn't it? Wow. And that was the first one too. Oh, that one looks a little better. Look at that. You can feel the ridges and everything. You found anything good? You've set up some factory operations here. Let's see your best one then. Oh. Is this your gift shop?
I think it's one of those.
Yeah, look at all the little bits of shell in there. All embedded in. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that's a cool one, isn't it? Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Look at that. Wow, so that's got a hole in it. Ah, a few bits on there. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Little jumping shrimp. There's so many under all of these rocks. I imagine they're the ancestors of some of the things trapped inside these rocks. Wow, I guess not much changes. So we've got some good treasures to take away with us. Yeah, have a look at what these cliffs are made from. It's actually quite unbelievable. So they're quite dangerous to go near and around. But let me just show you. It's mostly, you can see how much rock and stone is in there, and you just touch it and look at that. Just crumbles away like nothing. So you can see what could be hiding behind here, maybe to fall down and reveal something pretty cool in years to come. There's all these alcoves that have formed here, these little holes. Who knows what's living in there? Wow, but yes, it's quite unbelievable, really. But even up here in the cliffs, you can find pretty much anything, just like down there by the ocean. And how fragile they are is absolutely crazy. You can, pick them apart with your hands even. Wow. It almost feels like a really old antique buck that's just been left to the elements. It just crumbles away. Wow. Alright, we're at the main touristy area now that we saw from across the way over there. Check it out, look. Looks like they got some bunkers. Are these World War II bunkers? Look at this, wow. Enver Hoxha would be envious of that bunker. Oh, little potato sacks. Wow, look at this. Alright, wow. Let's get our fossil on. More triangles. Look at this. So this one bunker here was protecting the whole coastal cove from enemy attack. Oh, not anymore. Look at that. Oh, stinky. Wow. Alright. See what we can find on here. So I think the technique here is to pick at this cliff here because these look a little pebble-like. I've got metal detectors, I've got everything going on there, look. Oh wow. Yeah, I think that place was better, but the sign did say no fossiling. Oops. We did see it on the way out though. It's crazy how many layers there are in this cliff face here. You can see the one at the bottom there going all the way around. It's mad, isn't it? Everyone's just fossiling all along the beach. Everyone's looking for their next big find. I'm sure some people just sell them on eBay, you know, pick up some good ones, throw them up on there. There's enough people doing it. Wow. Look at that. You can just wipe it away. It's crazy. It makes you wonder how safe you are. Oh boy. They're pretty cool ones, aren't they? Well, so long from the Jurassic Coast in the UK. It was a nice little trip across the beach. Found a lot of fossils. And I'm out of breath for running up these stairs. But it's a beautiful part of the country. And there's a southwestern coastal path that goes hundreds of miles all the way along the bottom western tip, including this area. And if you cycle or walk the whole thing, then you can avoid a £6 parking fee, well, a £6 toll fee. But yeah, that's it from this area. I hope you enjoyed the mini video, and I'll see you in another video coming very soon. Take care. Okay, back down now.